Persuasive text. A persuasive text is a form of writing that seeks to persuade the reader to accept the writer's perspective or motivate the reader to take a specific action. This type of writing is commonly found in advertisements, social companies. Key features of persuasive text include the first, compelling argument, providing logical reasons that back the subject's viewpoint or action. And the second, supporting evidence, and the example is utilizing data, bolster the argument, influential language, using word and paraphrase to sway the reader's emotion and belief. And the last, organized structure. Typical include an introducing, main argument, and a strong conclusion.
And then, characteristic of persuasive text. The first is purpose, aims to convince or persuade readers to agree with an opinion or take a certain action. The second is emotional and rational appeal, combines fact and data with emotional appeal to influence the reader's feelings. And then the third is convincing language, uses strong and assertive words along with effective rhetoric. And then the fourth, clear structure, has an organized structure with logically structured arguments. Fifth, use the evidence and example, includes evidence, data, and concrete example to support arguments. And then the last is call to action, includes a strong call to action or appeal at the end of the text.
Okay, then persuasive text has three structure. Number one is introduction. Introduction is introduce the topic and piques the reader's interest, clarifying the issues or problems to be addressed. Number two is body or argument. Body or argument is outlines the main points with supporting evidence, data, and examples, organized into coherent paragraph. And the last is conclusion. Conclusion is summarize the argument made and reinforce the main message, usually ending with a compelling call to action or appeal to the audience.
Okay guys, the next is example of persuasive text with title Reducing Plastic Uses to Save the Environmental. And then I will read the introduction. So the introduction is plastic waste is a major global environmental issue with millions of tons ending up in the ocean yearly, endangering marine life and ecosystem. We must urgently reduce our daily plastic uses to combat this problem. And this is called an introduction because it provides a general overview of the topic that will be discussed, namely the problem of plastic and its impact on the environment.
And then the next is body or argument. Firstly, plastic takes centuries to decompose, persisting in the environment for generations. It also breaks down into microplastic, contaminating soil and water. Secondly, single-use plastics like bottles, bags, and straw are especially damaging. Over 8 million tons of these end up in the ocean annually, killing millions of marine animals through ingestion or entanglement. Thirdly, we can opt for eco-friendly alternatives such as reusable bag, refillable bottles, and product in recyclable packaging. It's called body or argument because it presents the main points that support the overall thesis or purpose of the writing.
The conclusion, reducing plastic use can significantly impact the environment. Simple action like using your own shopping bag and using eco-friendly product can protect our planet for future generation. Our small effort today will lead to substantial change tomorrow.